Hey, lady, I got something for you.
I see, it's a package.
Yeah, so what do we do when we get a package?
You start to sing.
Yeah, I've got a package, I've got a package, I've got a package, yes I do. Woo! You forgot the woo.
Woo!
There we go. All right, Mama. Part of this is for me, but part of this is for you. So you can go ahead and open it up, and it's from one of our favorite stores.
Well, this thing I can tell that's furry and blue is obviously Stitch for Rachel.
Of course.
Because she just does not
I'm
have
moving the
enough,
camera to give the whiny dog my toes.
doesn't have enough Stitch stuff.
No.
It's
But look at how cute that is.
Oh, is this for like your makeup?
That's a makeup bag.
Oh, Lord.
So it'll be toasty warm and fluffy.
She really is
5.
5 at heart.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Oh no, he's not been freeze dried. He's freeze dried. Look at him. He's squashed. He's got.
please hold while we uncollapse him.
Okay, he was a little squashed, so we kind of have to do the little squish to poof him up.
Okay.
So here he is playing his ukulele. 'Cause
Yep.
That's what you do in Hawaii.
Yep.
You play a ukulele.
Uh-huh. All right, Mama. What's the last thing we got in
I
there?
have a feeling it's probably something still Winnie the Pooh, but let's see.
Hmm.
Yeah, because Miniso carries lots of Pooh items.
Yes. And who likes poo? Mama.
I do like Pooh.
You do.
I'm always hoping that it's something that's Mary Poppins. Because
I haven't seen any Mary Poppins, but every
No,
single time I
Mary
see
Poppins.
her, I buy her immediately because I know my mama.
Mary Poppins isn't as popular anymore, I guess. Ooh, Winnie the Pooh take me on tour.
Yeah, and look
Let's
at them.
see. Okay, oh my gosh, so we're going on a picnic. Oh, there's Christopher Robin in this one.
Yes, and I'm not sure if this is a pack of 6 or a pack of 8.
Oh,
So we'll have to
yes,
open it up
we'll
and
see.
check. But aren't they adorable?
They are. They're in their like little to-go containers. Of course,
Yeah.
there's 2 Poohs. One
In a honey pot.
He's in a honey pot, of course.
One in a
And
basket.
one in a basket. There's
Yeah.
Roo. Yeah, but that one. So the question is yeah, Christopher Robin is super cute.
Yes.
Okay.
So you excited about?
It says 1 times 6. There's only 6.
Uh-huh.
So Christopher Robin maybe is a surprise one if you get it.
Well, so Mom, for this one, there's actually 7 then, so we aren't going to get one. So we'll have to figure out who's the secret one technically.
I bet it's Christopher Robin.
Yeah. All right,
That's what I'm
Mama.
guessing.
We'll open those in another.
Oh, actually, it says here, surprise, secret.
So we could get him. We don't know. But then that means we don't get one of the other ones.
Right.
So, well, we will open those in another video. We just wanted to show you all the cute little things that we got from Miniso. And Mama, this will be going on our super special trip that we are about to go on. Yeah.
When you wish upon a star.
We're not, I can't sing right now. We're not telling people where we're going, but you're going to find out soon. Right? Say something to your fans, Mama.
Bye.
Bye.